Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am doing fine, alhamdulillah. And for today's video, I am going to review an eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show how I do my eye makeup here using the Colourpop Ooh Lala palette. So finally I got my hand on this palette. I've been wanting it since it's being released. Like, I've been wanting it since forever, and finally I got it, even though it's already late. But you know, it's better late than never. And actually my husband bought this for me as a surprise, I think last week, because that one day I kind of give him a hint. Like, I said to him that, wow, this palette looks so pretty, and that's it. That is it that I told him. And then few days after that, this palette arrived home, so I'm so excited to use it. This is actually my first time using it on my eyes. I did hand swatch it when I first got it, but this is actually my first time using it on my eyes. So Colourpop 9 pen shadow like this have this plastic packaging instead of their usual cardboard packaging, so I think it's nice. Some people don't like it, but I'm not truly affected by it. I think it's like, I don't care whether it's plastic or cardboard, so I don't have any problem with that. So like I said just now, it came with 9 shades, and it also came with a mirror, so that is cool. Like, you can use it when you're on the go. You don't have to bring separate mirror. You can just use it and apply your eyeshadow. So I think it's nice to have a mirror on my eyeshadow palette. This palette consists of 5 matte eyeshadow and also 4 shimmer eyeshadow, so I think it's a pretty good balance between matte and shimmer shadow. And it retailed for $12, and I totally think that it is worth the $12 because the formula is amazing, the color look nice. But of course, if it is cheaper than $12, I will be more happy, but I think $12 is okay lah. I'm okay with that. I'm losing my voice. Okay, so I'm going to hand swatch this, and I'll show you guys the swatches after this. So this is how the hand swatches of the shadow inside the Ooh Lala palette looks like. I really love the shade in this palette. This first 2 shade here is actually my favorite shade inside the palette. The shade here is called Tickle. It is so pretty in real life. I don't know how to describe the shade. Actually, it kind of looks like a silver, but it is like dual chrome kind of shade, so it have like this blue shift to it, and I really love this shade. And also love this shade here called Softcore. I think it looks super sweet and girlish, so that's why I love it. The only 2 shades that I'm not truly happy with is actually these 2 shades right here. This shade here is called Trove. I just think that this shade is not like pigmented enough for me. I think it's a little bit sheer to my liking, so I'm not very into the shade. And also this shade here called Caddy. Okay, so if you wanted to see how I use this eyeshadow palette on my eyes today, then keep on watching. Okay, so now that we are already zoomed in, now we will start to play with the eyeshadow on my eyes. We will try to attempt to make an eye look. And as you guys can see, I already finished with the rest of my makeup aside from my eye makeup, because I think it's better for me to just focus on the eye makeup for today, because I know it's going to take a lot of time, because like I just said just now, I suck in this. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take the shade Poodle here. It's kind of like that muted rosy pinkish kind of color. I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of like that soft but not too soft kind of pink. So I'm going to use my blending brush. This is my Sigma E38 brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. And yeah, let's try to apply it. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it all over my cheek, not my cheek, my crease, including the inner part of my crease. And to be honest, I actually don't know what kind of eye look I'm going for today, and like seriously, we are just going to go with the flow and see what happened. And usually I suck at this, and that is why I don't wear a lot of eye makeup, and also because I'm lazy lah, of course. Not bad, not bad. Going for the other eyes. Next, I think I'm going to take this Trove shade here. I don't know if I am pronouncing it correctly or not, but I'm going to take this shade here because I kind of want to like darken it just a little bit, like to like deepen it out even more, just a little bit. So I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush. So basically I will just be focusing on the outer corner here to deepen the shade just now even more lah. And then with the remaining balance, I'm just going to take it all over the crease like I did with the shade previously. Like honestly, I don't know if you guys even understand my explanation, because I don't know, like, you know, you just watch what I do lah, okay? Boleh lah sis. Next, I'm going to take this Caddy shade here. It's a purple shade, and I'm going to apply it along my crease like just now, but more on the lower side because I felt like I wanted to add some purple. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I will make sure that I don't take it too high, so I keep it low down, like exactly on the crease area only. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now I will try to do a cut crease on my eyes. So I'm going to apply concealer like how people normally do cut crease. So I'm going to apply it on my inner corner to like the middle part of my eyes. So we are going to go for like half cut crease kind of look today, and I don't know if this will work or not, but I will try, you know. So I'm going to use my Morphe M432 brush to apply the concealer, but of course obviously you can just use any flat concealer brush, like I think that will do the trick. So after I apply my concealer, I'm going to look up to see where my crease ends, you know. Okay, so now I am going to like kemaskan the line so that it looks straight lah. See, I'm going to go up until the middle. I'm going to do the same thing on my other eyes. Next, I'm going to take the shade Moonstruck here, and I am going to apply it directly on the place where I applied my concealer just now. So instead of blending it, I will dab it on the eyes, on the part where I put my concealer just now. So yeah. Wow, this is a really pretty shade. Like, it's a really pretty gold shade, and I am loving it. Like, so pretty. I think I put concealer more on this side compared to this side. That's why this one look more pop. But I'm too lazy to correct it, so we're just going to leave it just like that. I'm going to drag it till the inner corner of my eyes. So like, you know, I am highlighting my inner corner too with this shade. I'm going to take this hot pink shade called Sandbar, and I am going to apply it in the middle here, in the middle of these two shades here, to kind of blend the shimmer shade and the matte shade together, so that it doesn't look like there is a border there. Okay, so I'm going to apply it in the middle here to kind of diffuse them together, and yeah, like that. Okay, so this is how my eye look is looking right now. I think it looks decent, look okay, not too bad, right? Even like, obviously it's not the best, like I'm not good in makeup anyway. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to again use the shade Trove here and apply it along my lower lash line using my Sigma E55 brush. So yeah, And next, for the final touch, I'm going to use my Catrice 18-Hour Color and Contour Eye Pencil in the shade Who Cares What They Pink. So it's a pink eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it along my waterline here like this. I'm going to apply it off camera because I don't know how to apply it in front of camera. It's hard for me to do it because I need to do it in front of a mirror, like that mirror there, because I don't want to hold a mirror and do it because I need both of my hands to do it. So I'm going to do that off camera. I see you guys after this. Okay guys, so I already finished applying my pink eyeliner just now on my waterline, and I also apply some mascara on my upper and also bottom lashes, and I just go with mascara because I'm too lazy to go with falsies. And yeah, so this is how the eye look turns out. It's a simple Catrice, basic Catrice kind of looks. So if you want to follow, then you can follow, but if you don't want, then don't lah. Like, obviously I am loving this palette. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. It's pink. Like, what's not cute about this palette? Seriously. And if you watch my old video, then you already know that I do truly love Colourpop eyeshadow. I think they offer a really good formula with that price point. Like, seriously, they are good, like, and they're cheap. I honestly think that you can never go wrong with Colourpop eyeshadow, but of course it all depends on your preference. Some people don't like pink eyeshadow, some people like, so it depends on you whether you like the shade or not. But otherwise, the formula at the price point and also the staying power, I think it's good. So it just depends on whether you like the color, the shade or not, and that is basically it. Okay guys, so I think that wrap up this videos. I think that is all what I want to say in this video for my review and also my take on trying the palette out, even though I'm not so good. But yeah, and I think that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.